Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Boom Beach account. If you're looking for a way to delete your Boom Beach account, then this video is for you. Go ahead and open up the Boom Beach app on your device, and once you're in, tap on the gear icon in the left-hand corner of the screen. This will pop open the settings interface, from where you'll need to find the delete button, which should be located at the bottom right corner. Tap on it and then you will be taken to this Boom Beach support page, where you'll need to scroll all the way down and click on delete my data. You will then be able to see this automated message sent to Boom Beach support. Select do you want to delete this game option, and then click on I agree to delete my data from the select a response field at the bottom. Right after you do that, click on delete account and follow through the prompts. And that way you will be able to delete your Boom Beach account permanently. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.